Is this how the highly anticipated Xiaomi Mi Mix 2 really look like? A couple of leaks bordering on the Mi Mix 2's real image have appeared on Chinese social network website Weibo. The leaks includes a poster containing a smartphone said to be the Mix 2's and a hands-on video also tipped to be the Xiaomi Mix 2's. Of spectacular interest is the hands-on video which shows the device in real life with the front design on display. The video is a short 10 seconds clip but is just enough for us to see that the Mi Mix 2 takes bezel display to another level. Xiaomi's Mi Mix is regarded as the pioneer of the popular full-screen design. The Mi Mix 2 was expected to come with a design that raises the bar in terms of bezel-lessness, but a number of fans were disappointed in that regard. Seems Xiaomi aims to use the Mi Mix 2s to placate those who didn't fancy the Mix 2 design. The video shows an exceptionally higher screen ratio and an almost bezel-less chin. The renders we had seen previously points at the selfie camera being moved from the lower aspect to the top, and that seems to be the case as the bezel on the chin is almost as thin as the side bezels. While the hands-on video looks real, we can't say the same for the leaked photo of the device. The photo is said to have emerged from a protective film manufacturer for the device, and the only attachment with the Mix 2s is perhaps the Mi custom wallpaper which sits atop the screen. The fool looks more like a concept render as we can't see the earpiece or the selfie camera on the screen. That's it. Thanks for watching guys, give a thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe.